description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got this. This is part of a Meet the Manufacturer series. This is from CGYY Tom Yum Shrimp Flavor Instant Noodle. And I'm really a big fan of Tom Yum. So let's get to getting and doing. So this goes in last. This goes in first. This goes in second. Uh-oh. Come on. Yes, it's true. Even after doing 5,000 instant noodles, I don't always cut the sachet open correctly. And here is what we got. So, yeah. Oh, I'm really stoked. I can't wait. My new camera lens should be coming somewhat soon, hopefully this week. And I don't know, I'm getting better at taking photos with the DSLR. I'm really happy about that. I feel more professional, you know what I'm saying? It's nice too because they're like really big. The camera on my phone has the images come out really quite nice, but it's really nice to have that extra megapixel action going on. It's weird too because they always talk about how these S22 Ultras have like, oh, what is it? It was supposed to have like 105 megapixel and all this crap. It just doesn't, I don't know. I like the I like all the settings and stuff that you get out of a DSLR much better. It really gives you more control. I like extra settings. I like to be able to tweak things the way I want them. And now I'm starting to understand when and why you would use certain settings in certain applications on it. So yeah, it's cool. But yeah, Monday, and tomorrow is Tuesday, and not just any Tuesday. It's my son Miles's birthday, so that is rad. And I don't know what we're gonna do tomorrow. We'll do something. Asked if he wanted to go to the thrift store, so I was like, I don't want to go walking or nothing like that on my birthday. I'm like, cool. Do whatever you want. But I know there will be an enormous chocolate chip cookie being created. And there will be birthday presents. And there will be fun. It will be fun. Maybe some Lego building. We'll see what happens. It should be good. Good. And it is done. And I'm on schedule. That's great. I like being on schedule. Now let's put in the we have Pyro spicy oil. Look at that. Pyro. Oh, maybe that's something I'll do. I was thinking of skipping reviewing tomorrow. Maybe we can do our own show like that. Okay. Oh no, the sun's coming out. At least it's early enough that it's not going to bug my workspace. You get in there. Ding. Okay. Let's get pyro. Give this a stir and I will give it a try. I think maybe my lighting is a little too much. Because I was looking at an episode and I was like, why is it so bright? It shouldn't be that bright. The lights that I have directly overhead they're this brand called Singled, and they're Alexa enabled, and the company has been having problems with like pairing it with the Alexa skill, and so now there's no more skill for it, and they don't work with the smart things thing. It's a pain, but now they're just regular light bulbs. But what was nice about them is that I could make them not so bright. Noodle is very nice, light, soft. And I'm getting already the aromatics of tom yum. A little bit of heat. A little bit of lemongrass. That's nice. Nice savoriness to it. I'm a huge fan of tom yum, and that is a nice light tom yum. Now I can say I've had tom yum instant noodles from Nepal, and that's cool. I think. If you don't agree, then there's something wrong with you. I think it's very cool. And now the last, I'm going to use all the last of my scallion. I wish I'd had some coriander, but oh, that's plenty. But I don't have any, and so often the store down the road, they don't have any either, or it looks horrible. I was seeing the other day, I got some, what do you call it? Some scallions. In fact, these scallions. And usually the scallions I get are out of Mexico. These are grown in the US, and they are substandard. They had ones that were nice and thick, and then ones that were super thin, like unusably thin. Very hard to do much with. It's like, that's not ready to be sold. So I guess our tariff situation is responsible for that. What about some basil? Basil's a nice thing to add. There's some basil. All right, last one of the day. Cool. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like this, like and subscribe and all that bit. But there will be more YY coming at you tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.